Hi students, before 4th chapter completed, now 5th chapter, measures of lines and angles. About this chapter, see some introduction. So before in 4th chapter, we know that what is point, line segment, ray, intersecting lines, parallel lines, that all. Next to triangle. Triangle, what is definition of triangle? Simple closed figure bounded by 3 line segments is called a triangle. Simple closed figure bounded by 3 line segments is called a triangle. For example, take this triangle ABC in triangle. Triangle having 3 vertices, 3 sides, 3 angles. So what are 3 vertices? Last corners A, B, C. These are 3 vertices of triangle. Next 3 sides A, B, B, C, C, A. These are 3 sides of a triangle. Next 3 angles. Angle A, here angle A, angle B, angle C. These 3 angles of a triangle ABC. So about the triangle, classification of triangles according to sides, according to angles types are there. Now according to sides, equilateral triangle means all sides are equal, having means a triangle having all 3 sides of equal length is called equilateral triangle. For example, AB equal to 6 centimeters, BC also 6 centimeters, CA 6 centimeters, means 3 sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CA is called equilateral triangle. Next, isosceles triangle. A triangle having at least 2 sides are equal length is called isosceles triangle. Means 2 sides equal. ABC, this is one of the triangle. AB equal to AC or AB equal to BC. Any 2 sides are equal. For example, here 4 centimeters, here also 4 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. Here 2 lengths are equal is called isosceles triangle. Example of this triangle. Next to scalene triangle. Scalene means all sides are different sides. Means if all 3 sides of a triangle are different length, then the triangle is called scalene triangle. Means see this triangle. So one side AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA. All are different length, having different length. For example, this is 3 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters. All are different length having. This is called scalene triangle. Once again, equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Isosceles triangle means 2 sides are equal. Third one is different length. Like scalene triangle means 3 sides are different length. Having different length is called scalene triangle. About based on sides, these 3 types. Now based on angles. Based on angles, types of triangle. First, acute angle triangle. A triangle all angles are acute is called acute angle triangle. Acute means 90 to 0. 0 to 90. 90 below angle is called acute angle. So exactly 0 degrees is called 0 angle. Exactly 90 degrees is called right angle. 0 to 90 between angle is called acute angle. Next, obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. A triangle whose one of the angle is obtuse is called obtuse angle triangle. One of the angle is obtuse means 90 above. At least one of the angle is 90 degrees above is called obtuse angle triangle. Next, right angle triangle. A triangle whose one of the angle is right angle is called right angle triangle. Means one of the angle is 90 degrees is called right angle. See here, triangle. This is one of the triangles. Based on sides, based on angles. Based on sides, 3 types. So this is first one, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Equilateral means all sides are equal. All sides are equal. 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. These three sides are equal is called equilateral triangle based on sides. Next, second one, isosceles triangle. If any two lengths are equal, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters. Next, third one, scalene triangle. Three sides are having different length is called scalene triangle based on sides. Next, based on angles. Based on angles. So, acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. Acute means below 90 degrees. Each and every angle below 90 degrees. Here 50, 60, 70 degrees. So, already we know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. So, like below 90 is called acute angle triangle. 0 to 90 between angle, acute angle. Next one, right angle triangle. One of the angle is 90 degrees. One of the angle is right angle. Right angle means 90 degrees. Here 90 degrees. This is called right angle triangle. Here 60 degrees, 30 degrees. We know that 30, 90, 60. 30 plus 90 plus 60 we get 180. Next, obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse means one of the angle is above 90 degrees. Above 90 degrees. Here 110, 40, 30. This is one of the angle is 90 above. Is called obtuse angle triangle based on angles. Next. So first exercise. First question. Give any 5 examples of line segment observed in your classroom. So line segment, we know that line segment means it is a fixed measurement. Answer, edge. So edge of blackboard. So our scale. See this long scale. So edge of long scale and edge of box, edge of mathematics textbook. These are all examples of line segments. Means which are straight. That is called line segment. So examples, edge of blackboard, so edge of scale, edge of box, edge of textbook. Second question, why is it is better to use divider than a ruler while comparing two line segments? See this answer. So open the divider, place the end point of one of its arms at A and the end point of the second arm at B, means like this. So divider. This is ruler, means scale. So which is better? Here observe divider. So like this taken care of open of the divider is not distribute lift of the divisor. It is lift that divider and place into on the ruler. So that one end point of it 0 mark of the ruler. Now read the mark of against the other end point. Means compare these two, is ruler is better than the divider. Next, third one, measure all the line segments in the figure given below and arrange them ascending order their lengths. They given A to E line segment. In that line segment AB, AC, BAD, next to AE, like BC, BD, BE and CD, CE and DE. So what they asking? Write ascending order. See this answer. So third one, they given line segment. What are here line segments? AB, AC, AD, AE. And next to BC, BD, BE. Next one, CD, CE. Next to DE. These are all right ascending order, means small to big. Here observe, write some measurement. Here 2, 1, 1, 2 take. So like that. Here 1 is first, means BC. Next to CD, like. So approximately measures here. BC, first 1 is small, means BC. Next to CD. Next to AB 2 centimeters. Here 2. 1 after 2 means AB. Next DE. This also 2 centimeters. DE. Next AC. 2 plus 1 3 means AC up to here. Next AC. Next CE. CE. This also 3. 1 plus 2 3. CE. Next A to D. Observe here 2 plus 1 plus 1. We get 4 means AD. Next last total 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 2 means what we get 6. Finally AE. Like in that, what is the largest line segment? Equal to total AE. AE is largest line segment. Next one.